I have been here for 4 years.
I have been here for 4 years too.
Yes.
Yes,
Every
years.
year.
I love it. It's the highlight of my year, every year.
Yeah, definitely. It's really exciting to come back every year, and it's something that I think everyone looks forward to.
It's a time that I get to meet a lot of new people and also grow spiritually in big ways.
Camp to me has really been a growing time and a growing time in my friendships, my relationship with God, and it's so cool how you don't see each other and then you come back each year and you're just one big family. I pretty much love everything about camp, but probably just all of the friendships I make, how encouraging everyone is, and it's a really, really good environment, just really positive.
And it's kind of nice, like none of us have our phones, and so we're all just like hanging out together. And yeah, I think my favorite part is just getting to see everybody every day consecutively and get to know each other a lot better, and yeah.
My name is Matthew Beiler. My wife Linda and I just got done with our first year of camp being on the committee. I grew up here in the northern Indiana area, and I remember very well as a younger kid being so excited for camp. I remember when I was 11 years old and my brother was getting to go to camp. We were taking him to drop him off, and I remember thinking it'll just never be my turn. And now it's 14 years later, and here I am, had 4 years of being a camper, had 5 years of being a counselor, and now first year on the committee. I remember one evening this last year as the campers were going out and praying with the counselors and meeting God, and I was thinking, this is exactly what it was like when I was 12 and 13, doing those same things that they're doing now. Camp hasn't changed. It's still, and always was, a place where kids can come and have a fun and safe environment to encounter God.